6,000 years back, they use barter system for any trading. You give me sugar, I'll give you milk. You give me cow, I'll give you sheep. This is how people used to trade. But after that, some 3,000 years back, they introduced gold, coins. People who used to rule, people who used to administrate, they used to distribute these coins. They used to decide who will be richer, who will be poor, and they used to trade using coins and using this gold, all that. Fast forward some 1,000 years back, they introduced money. They introduced this paper money, to be honest. That coin can also be called as money, but paper money is introduced 1,000 years back. And people used to feel like those people who have this most number of papers called as money, they are rich. 30 years back, people used to watch TVs, right? People used to watch TVs like every single day. They need to get entertained after a very hard day. They used to work a lot. People, today we are in an era of AI, machines, all that. They didn't have machines, a lot of machines that day. They didn't have these robots, they didn't have AIs. At that point of time, what did they do is they used to get entertained only using radios, TV, and newspapers. People's attention used to go to that particular place, and this business owner started to notice all this. And they thought, okay, if people are watching that a lot, let's use this attention to advertise our product, to make our product publish a lot, to make our product famous a lot. But today, nobody watches TV. And just comment down below how many people have watched the TV for continuous 1 hour without an ad. Nobody likes watching TV because there are more ads than the program is. So that's the reason people don't watch TV nowadays. And everybody got shifted to this phones. This thing, right? This thing is the one which is ruling all around the world. And they introduced phones, there's internet took over, and then there are so many platforms to get entertained. People always need entertainment more than anything. You can just consider before that, if there was a pamphlet, there was a poster, there was something, people used to look at it, read it. But today, if you give an ad in newspaper, if you give an ad in a pamphlet, people will just read a heading or not even read a heading. Probably within seconds they would just throw it away. So that due to mobile phones, people started losing their attention towards this TV, radio, newspaper, and the ad revenues of those platforms got really low. Today everybody uses smartphone, and the social medias in it, they just use it for entertainment, including me, to be honest. Comment me if you have ever done this. When you are watching a YouTube video, if an advertise pops up, you obviously get irritated. But even though if there is a timer on YouTube saying 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, even though there is a timer, you'll be keep on tapping that skip ad button, even though your brain knows only after 5 seconds that skip ad button will be enabled. For 9 rupees, you cannot buy this chips packet, but you can buy my prompt engineering course and earn 3 crore. Right? That is how much we personally hate ads being humans. But you know what? Being a business owner or being an advertiser or being a marketer, if you want to advertise today in social media or in any platform today, you just don't have to put lots of information. If you just put information, nobody likes raw information today. But at the same time, since people just like entertainment, being a business owner, you cannot dress up well and dance like someone on a reel or a TikTok or on YouTube shorts and get attention. So today, people also hate entertainment. Trust me when I say so. For everything, they want some information plus entertainment. People just don't want raw information. People just don't want raw entertainment. They want infotainment. In today's world, cooking has an entertainment.
What's that in there? That's not grilled. Oh dear. Raj! What's that? What is that stock he's putting in that salmon?
It's supposed to be grilled, dude.
I grilled it and I finished it with a little bit of sauce.
And the traveling is also an entertainment.
We're filming a stunt right here.
Can I go on the sidewalk?
No.
Okay. Can I wait right here?
You can wait. Yeah, just.
This has nothing to do with the wildfires, but they're shooting Ghostbusters 2 right here.
Eating food is an entertainment.
And wings in 5 minutes. But can I take the heat?
How many people have done this challenge and how many people have been successful?
We're at about 6% success rate.
That's pretty good. It's like 1 out of 20 people. Can I have like a gallon of milk on this side?
There's no napkins, no milk, nothing to drink, no bathroom break.
Watching news is also an entertainment. That is how today's world has been evolved, and people don't want only information, they want information plus entertainment. Now, using people's attention in this social media's platform to sell your product, to trading your attention to sell your product, that is what digital marketing is. And very long back, you know what? People used to have this barter system, gold and then coins and then money. People who used to collect all those things, they were rich. But today, you know what? People who can grab your attention, they are richer. People who can, make you stay and sit and watch a video for 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 30 minutes or 15 minutes, they are becoming rich. They get more subscribers, they get more followers.
So, made progress on that, but it's going slower than I'd like. We've only made a couple $1,000s.
Only made a couple thousand. Oh my God.
Punch him.
Only made a couple thousand? Come on, bruh. How much did you have before?
0.
But that's because my ultimate ambition is to go to Mars.
To go to Mars?
Oh, yeah.
Well then, dude, so you're telling me your ultimate ambition is to go to Mars, not the 440 million, right?
But I want the money to be able to make sure I have 3 times as much needed.
So you're hustling to go to Mars?
I think you should document. You should literally document your journey to Mars, bro. I'll watch it. All right, man. Good luck. Let's move on.
Advertising based on this particular platforms and knowing how to grab people's attention and use their attention and selling your product in online or in digitally, that is called digital marketing. So if you want to learn digital marketing, I think this channel and this page might help you out. Until next time, if you don't know how digital marketing actually works and which platform to focus and how actually this digital marketing works, you can always stay tuned for this particular channel and this particular videos. And until next time, stay